2026 Volkswagen Taigo R-Line 1.0 presents an intriguing blend of contemporary styling and compact SUV practicality. From a design standpoint, the Taigo R-Line distinguishes itself with coupe-like aesthetics, a sloping roofline, and bold R-line accents that include larger wheels, sportier bumpers, and gloss black trim. These elements collectively enhance its visual identity, positioning it as a more dynamic and youthful alternative to its more conservative SUV peers. The 1.0-litre turbocharged three-cylinder engine may seem modest on paper, but it delivers sufficient power, 110 PS, for everyday driving and pairs efficiently with the 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, DSG, offering smooth and responsive gear changes. Inside, the Taigo's cabin reflects Volkswagen's current design ethos: clean, digital, and function-focused. The R-Line treatment adds sporty seats with improved lateral support, a leather-trimmed steering wheel, and ambient lighting that elevates the interior ambience. The digital cockpit is crisp and highly legible, while the infotainment system supports wireless smartphone integration. Although some materials, particularly on lower surfaces, lack premium tactile quality, the overall construction feels solid and refined. The user interface is mostly intuitive, though the touch-sensitive controls for climate settings may demand a brief learning curve and can be distracting while driving. On the road, the Taigo R-Line 1.0 delivers a composed and confident ride, ideal for both city commuting and suburban travel. The steering is light yet precise, and the suspension strikes a reasonable balance between comfort and agility. While the engine may feel somewhat strained under aggressive acceleration or at highway speeds, it compensates with excellent fuel efficiency, averaging over 50 mph 21 km/h in mixed driving conditions.